like the star that you are. You are an unstoppable force. You are moving towards your purpose. It may have taken some time and some self-mastery. Some of you are in the apprentice stage. Some of you are starting out. I'm hearing you're stopping, you're starting, but you will go. It's your time. Something could happen around Cancer season, say ending of June, July time. Something that you are investing in right now is going to take off, right? Some of you have many projects, many desires to collaborate with others, and I see this happening for you. But Spirit is urging you not to wait anymore. Obviously, you have to strike when you feel ready, when you know that you've done the training, when you know that you've put in all the work. It's your time. It's your time to shine. All that hard work you've been doing in the background wasn't for nothing. It wasn't in vain. And you may have seen other people who did not put in all the work, or I'm going to be real, who weren't as talented as you, reach certain milestones, get to certain positions. And it could have been due to the fact that they knew certain people, they were in the right company, etc. And it may have chipped away at your confidence, and you may have felt to yourself like, what is the point? Like, I'm just doing this and nothing's happening. Like, and Spirit was just keeping you behind for a reason, so that you can master your confidence first and foremostly, so that you can master your craft to be the brilliant, amazing person in whatever field that you are in. Spirit doesn't want you to be like everyone else. So you may have felt like your waiting time was a punishment. No, it was because Spirit loved you. And Spirit didn't want you to do something before you were ready. Because oftentimes we can become impatient. We can feel to ourselves, how come it's not happening now? Everyone has their time. And again, I'm picking up strong Cancerian energy. Some of you could be a Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. But some of you, I feel, from Cancer season until next year, Aquarius season, it's your time. And hopefully moving forward also. People in high positions are going to want to collaborate with you. People in high positions can see your star power. They can see that you are a future leader. They may want to make an investment in you. And it's not about you concealing your skills and your talents. You will have the backing of the universe, and you will have the inner knowing that you done the work. And that's the thing I've gathered as well, butterflies, that sometimes when we try and put ourselves out there too prematurely, right, and we're feeling like we haven't got that confidence, and you know, we don't feel ready yet and unsure. If you keep practicing on your craft time and time and time and time and time and time again, yes, you will feel nervous when you're presenting your craft to the world, right? Because sometimes nerves is good nerves, right? But sometimes it's not. But what will then creep in, and nerves is normal, right? Just to say. But what will then creep in is another set of nerves. And you know what that other set of nerves is? The knowing that you didn't practice as much as you could have. So you got the actual nerves, and then you've got that added nerves. on top of the actual nerves. So that's a double whammy now. Whereas if you practice and looked at all options in how you can be the best at what you do, those nerves surrounding your confidence around your skills and talents will be non-existent. You'll just have the nerves that you usually get when you're putting yourself out there. So that's why Spirit is saying, make sure you practice. Don't put yourself out there too prematurely. And the thing is, it's not about being a perfectionist, but know your craft. Know your craft. And have love for it. And fall in love again with your craft. Because when you fall in love with something, it doesn't feel like work. But when you tell yourself, oh, I don't know, it's not going to work out, you start disliking this thing. You start hating it. You start resenting it. It becomes a tug of war. You know? You start procrastinating. We've all been there. But you've got to tell yourself why you started this thing. It doesn't matter how long it takes. You have to keep putting in the work. Take daily steps every day towards your goal. Doesn't matter if it's little steps. It doesn't matter. Just as long as you don't lose focus. The Spirit is saying, you will shine. You will shine like the star that you are. You are destined in this life to shine, not to hide your skills and talents. Think about it. Why have you been given these skills and talents? For a reason. To uplift, to empower, to influence in some cases. And some of you could have a backstory. I was shy, but I started doing this hobby or this skill and I became a master at it. Guess what? You're connecting with other people that felt shy. And you're helping them to tap into their power. Seeing you, someone that's from the same background as them, that comes from the same area as them. Wow, I didn't know people like that existed. If they can do it, I can do it. Because some of you are going to be in leadership positions. You have strong 10th house energy, strong MC energy. Some of you could have your sun on your MC. We spoke about this in previous videos. Your MC is how you are seen in the public. It's a fame aspect in some cases, depending on what planet is connected to it. So say you got like your sun conjuncting your MC, right? Or sextiling or trining. You know, trying is a lesser aspect, but it's still an aspect that means you're supposed to be visible in the public eye. You're supposed to be known for your skills and your talents. And I understand not everyone wants to be famous, but you don't have to be famous, say, on TV. You could be famous within whatever community of work that you belong to. Known as the best at your craft. The leader. The standard. These are the levels that you are going to attain. You ain't got no time to waste here. You may get your friends talking about, oh, let's hang out, this, that, and the other. Find a balance. Find a balance. And weigh out the pros and cons. Is it really necessary for me to hang out with the guys when I could be at home training? When I could be at home doing the work? You know? When I could be at home coding. Some of you are coders. Because some of you have to leave these people behind, unfortunately. Maybe not forever. For some of you, indefinitely. Some people needed to be left behind when Saturn was in Pisces. Saturn came out of Pisces on the 26th. Oh, sorry. I believe the 17th. Quote me if I'm wrong. I'll just say it came out of Pisces in February. So certain people that are still around you now, they should not be around you. You know who they are. They have to go. Because where you're going is somewhere truly remarkable. Truly remarkable. And you're destined for success. And you will be known for your skills and talents, and respected for the hard work that you put into what you're doing now. Yes, there's going to be some fears that are brought up, but you will stay grounded, and you will have the right support around you as well. Some family members are willing for you to go there, man, because they can see, they knew since you was a young child. And yes, the past did have its setbacks, but when you get to the top, you're going to remember those days that were hard, and you're going to be so thankful that you didn't give up. So, are you ready to embark into a new cycle of your life that's full of magic? Are you ready to create your own dreams? Are you ready to turn your dreams into reality? Because it's there for the taking. You are destined to shine, my darling. Do not dim your light for anyone. You or the people of the signs mentioned in the reading could be Cancer, Virgo, Cancer again, Capricorn, Leo, Pisces, Cancer, Capricorn, Aquarius, Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. You're going to be held as one of the best to ever do it.